going to show you how to fix Ghost Touch issues on your iPhone. First, clean your screen with a microfiber cloth. Make sure there's no dust, oil, or smudges as this can mess with touch sensitivity. Next, remove your screen protector, especially if it's cracked, old, or thick. A damaged protector is a common cause of ghost touches. Go to Settings, General, then Software Update, and install the latest iOS version. Bug fixes and new updates often solve touch problems. Now, here's a quick force restart that can help. Press and release volume up, then press release volume down. Then hold the side button until the Apple logo appears. This does a soft reset of the system and won't delete your data. If that doesn't work, try resetting all settings. Go to Settings, then General, then scroll down and click Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap Reset, then reset all settings. These won't erase your photos or apps, just resets preferences. Still no luck? You may need to do a factory reset.